KMC Commander makes creating and sharing dashboards very easy. When you first log in to a new project, you will start with a blank canvas. To begin filling in your dashboard, simply click the Add Instance button at the top right, then select whether you'd like to add a card or a deck. Adding cards is easy using the card builder, regardless of the kind of card you want to build. Simply select the kind of card you want on the left. Then edit the card in real time by changing its name and selecting the points you want to show. Cards have different options depending on the kind of card it is, and once you've added all the cards you want, you can then easily rearrange the cards into the layout you want, prioritizing design and function to the individual applications. Another nice aspect of dashboards is your ability to create as many as you want or need. To create a new dashboard, simply hover over the dashboard icon on the left, revealing all existing dashboards, then click the Add Dashboard button. Now you have another blank canvas. To go back to the first dashboard we created, we'll use the slide out menu to switch. Each dashboard has a menu accessible by hovering over the title. Click on the gear icon that appears. From this menu, you can share the dashboard with others, make a copy for yourself, set it as your home page, meaning this would be the dashboard that shows when you log in, rename the dashboard, or delete it altogether. Now let's go back into that dashboard menu and select another option, Share. Sharing dashboards is a very helpful feature. It allows you to create dashboards for other people and only share it once it's ready. It also allows for an element of control over what a user can see and edit. Let's walk through this menu by selecting Share. When the pop-up menu appears, you can see a Select Dashboard drop-down, so you can select the specific dashboard you're wanting to share. Next is a list of all project users. Next to each user's name, there's a series of checkboxes. Read Only would share the dashboard in such a way that any user other than the creator would only be able to make set point changes and monitor the data. They would not be able to change the dashboard. Any changes made by the dashboard creator would reflect on all read-only users. Read-only access can be revoked at any time by the dashboard creator. The next option is Write Access, meaning that anyone who has access to the shared dashboard can make changes, and those changes are reflected across all users who share that dashboard. The last option is Share Copy, meaning that whoever you share with will receive an independent copy of the existing dashboard, and any changes they make will only be able to be viewed by them. Likewise, the original creator of the dashboard can make any change they want to the original, and they will not reflect on any of those shared copies. There is a huge amount of flexibility in the design of dashboards, the access to dashboards, and the way you share dashboards, all while maintaining a similar look and feel across buildings and systems. To learn more about KMC Commander, check out our other videos and content, and to learn more about any of the solutions from the building geniuses at KMC, visit us on the web at kmccontrols.com.